Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C43 AMG 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does come with the diamond style grille up front, 18-inch black accents, 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, black MB text, Dynamica red stitching interior, sunroof. Coming around back, rear spoiler, AMG C43 badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, black ash wood trim, heated seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is the 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our keys for media display, cup holders, our electronic suspension settings, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C43 has 30,829 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 4MATIC AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.